Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Binance in Blum. First, ensure you have an active Binance account with two-factor authentication enabled for security. Next, log into your Blum application and locate the Settings or Integration section. This process allows for seamless management of your crypto assets across platforms, enhancing your trading experience. We'll walk through each step carefully to ensure a smooth setup. To begin, log into your Binance account and navigate to the API Management section, typically found under your profile settings. Here, you will create a new API key. Remember to label it clearly, perhaps Blum Integration, for easy identification. Ensure you grant the necessary permissions, such as Enable Reading and Enable Spot and Margin Trading, but avoid enabling withdrawals for security. Copy both the API key and the secret key immediately, as the secret key is shown only once. Now, open your Blum application and find the section dedicated to connecting exchanges or external accounts. This is usually within the settings or a dedicated integrations menu. You will see fields to input your API key and secret. Carefully paste the API key into its designated field and the secret key into its corresponding field. Double-check for any extra spaces or characters to ensure accuracy before proceeding. After entering your credentials, confirm the connection within Blum. The application should indicate a successful link to your Binance account. You might see your Binance balance or recent transactions reflected in Blum. If you encounter any issues, recheck your API key permissions on Binance and ensure accurate entry in Blum. This integration allows you to manage and track your Binance assets directly through the Blum platform, offering a unified experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.